What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Cam from the KTA Kitchen. Guys, today I just made a brand new YouTube channel, guys. Come check it out. It is gonna be lit, it's gonna be awesome for y'all.
Wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
It's going to be all about making cooking videos, making bread, making pizza, making different recipes, you feel me? Making steak, cooking in the wild, food reviews, reaction videos, street food, all that, you feel me? Mukbangs, primitive cooking, stone age cooking, food testing, blogs. We're gonna be blogging food, street food, all that, you feel me? We're also going to be food testing, you feel me? Food testing, street food, mukbang, local food, African food, and different types of country food, you feel me? So stay tuned for that also, you feel me? Stone age cooking, and to mention but a few, you feel me? It's gonna be wild fruits and all that, you feel me? You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So we're also going to be doing reaction videos and challenges, you feel me? Yes, sir. We're going to be doing reaction videos and challenges on different type of food recipes and all that, you feel me? We're also going to be recreating food videos, you feel me, to see if they perfect, you feel me? Yes, sir. I promise y'all it's gonna be lit, so stay tuned for that, you feel me? And you might as well count on me. Yes, sir. Guys, we're going to be posting each and every single day, yo, of the week. So you might as well stay tuned for that. You feel me? Guys, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications on so that you don't miss any brand new video that we post every single day. Share the video so that we get boosted in the algorithm, get this channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month. I appreciate you so much, so please subscribe, you feel me? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the real KTA Kitchen, TikTok the KTA Kitchen, Facebook the KTA Kitchen, and guys, stay tuned, let's run this kitchen. So thanks each and every one here for watching my video. We appreciate you, we love you. Stay safe, stay awesome. We out. See you in the next one. Peace.